In this video, I will show you how to fix SweatWallet app login problem. So if you are trying to log into your SweatWallet and for some reason you can't log in, there's a couple of things you're going to want to try and check to resolve this problem. Now the first thing you're going to want to do if you do have SweatWallet opened is completely close it down, and then what you want to do is open up the Play Store or of course the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Now what you're going to want to do first of all is search for the SweatWallet app on the Play Store. And you want to first of all check to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of SweatWallet. If you are using an out-of-date version of SweatWallet, this can contribute to problems with the app, including logging into your SweatWallet. So if there is an update available, as you can see in my case, there is an update available. Instead of saying open, you're going to see a blue update button. So what you want to do first is make sure you have fully updated the app. And once that's updated, open up the app and see if you can log in to your SweatWallet successfully. Now, if you have tried this, but you're still having problems and you can't currently log into SweatWallet, the next thing you're going to want to do is actually clear the app cache and storage data. To do this, what you're going to want to do is from your home screen, you want to locate the SweatWallet app on your device. Then what you want to do is press and long hold onto the app itself to bring up this small menu, and then press onto app info. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and if you actually scroll up slightly, you should see an option for storage. So what you want to do is press onto storage, and at the bottom of this screen, you're going to see clear cache and clear data. So what you want to do at this point is clear your cache and also clear your data. By doing that, that's going to remove any temporary files which may be contributing to any login problems, and you should now be able to successfully log into your SweatWallet. If that didn't work for you, the final thing I would recommend is reinstalling SweatWallet onto your device. So if you go into the Play Store and search for SweatWallet, you're going to see the option to uninstall. All you want to do is uninstall SweatWallet and reinstall it back onto your device, and that should fix any problems. So that is how to fix SweatWallet app login problem. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.